We'll guide you through how to add clock in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People look for this tutorial because adding a live clock in Notion makes their workspace feel more useful and helps them keep track of time while working or studying. To add a clock in Notion, start by opening your browser and searching for 𝗟𝗟𝗞𝗘. Then select the first website that appears in the results. Once the page loads, log in or sign in to your 𝗟𝗟𝗞𝗘 account so you can create widgets. After you are signed in, look for the button that says Add New Widget and select it. This will open a menu that shows many widget options, and you need to look through the list until you find the clock option. Once you locate it, select it so a new clock widget can be made. When the widget setup screen appears, type your title into the title box to label your clock, then press Continue to move forward. After that, you can start adjusting and editing your clock based on your style. Go to the left side of the screen to change the clock type, since 𝗟𝗟𝗞𝗘 offers different looks and options. Take your time to try the styles and choose one that fits your Notion setup. Do not forget to set the local time zone based on where you live, because this step makes sure the clock shows the right time. After you finish setting the time zone, continue adjusting the remaining options until the clock looks the way you want. When your setup is complete, scroll down and copy the widget link that appears below the preview. This link is what you will use inside Notion. Next, open a new tab in your browser and search for Notion. Then select the first link that shows up. Log in or sign in to your Notion account so you can add the clock to your workspace. Once you are inside Notion, create a new page, then add a title at the top of that page to keep things organized. After the page is ready, click inside the page and press the / key, which is the key that brings up the Notion command menu. Scroll down through the menu until you see the Embed option. Select Embed, then paste the clock widget link that you copied earlier. Notion will load the clock and show it on your page.